Bacteria cell have a number of parts. It's done. Next one is flagellum. Look at here. This is the flagellum. Flagellum is primarily a motility organelle that enables movement and chemotaxis. Okay, motility organelle. Motility means movement. The bacteria transfer from one place to another place. That is called motility. Look at here. This is the flagellum. Look at here. This is the flagellum. This flagellum is very useful. The bacteria transfer from one place to another place. That is called motility. Motility means movement. Flagellum is primarily a motility organelle that enables movement and chemotaxis. What is mean by chemotaxis? Chemo means chemical. The flagellum made up of a chemicals that is called chemotaxis. Next one, bacteria can have one flagellum or several. One flagellum means only bacteria have a one, that is called one flagellum. Some bacteria have a number of flagellums present in bacteria, that is called several flagellums. Look at here. This is the bacteria. This is the only one flagellum. Okay, that is called monotrichous or one flagellum. Okay, some bacteria have a several flagellums present in one spot. Okay, this is the one spot, this is the another spot. This is the flagellums. Are you got it? Look at here. That is called several flagellums. Some bacteria have a all over the flagellums present in one bacteria. That is called peritrichous. Peri means number of flagellums present in all over the bacteria. Okay, that is called peritrichous. Next, flagella structure. Bacterial flagella structure. The flagella is a helical structure composed of a flagellin protein. Flagella made up of a flagellin protein. Which protein? Flagellin protein. This is very, very important. The flagella composed of a flagellin protein. The flagella structure is divided into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. First one is basal body. Second one is hook. Third one is filament. Okay. First one is basal body. Second one is a hook. Third one is a filament. Don't confuse. This is very, very important. This is the flagella structure. First, I explain the flagellin numbers. Okay. How many flagellus present in bacteria? That is called one flagellum or several flagellums. Next one, peritrichous. Peritrichous means several flagella all over the bacterium. That is called the peritrichous. Only one flagellum present in one bacteria. Some bacteria have a several flagellums present in one spot. Okay, that is the flagellum numbers quantity. Okay, this is the flagella structure. Flagella structure have a three parts. First one is basal body, second one is hook, third one is a filament. First, I explained basal body. Look at here. This is the flagella structure. Look at here. This is the flagella structure. First one is basal body. Look at here. This is the basal body. Second one is the hook. This is the hook. Curve shape. Look at here. This is the hook. Third one is filament. Filament is just like a hair-like structure. Okay, that is called filament. Basal body starters have a two parts. First one is OM, second one is CM. What is mean by OM? What is mean by CM? I explained it. Look at here. OM means outer membrane. CM means cytoplasmic membrane. Okay. The basal body starters made up of a cytoplasmic membrane and outer membrane. Both are made up of a peptidoglycan layers. Basal body. This is the basal body. Okay. It is attached to the cell membrane and cytoplasmic membrane. Already I told. Look at here. This is the CM ring and OM. Look at here. This is the outer membrane. This is the cytoplasmic membrane. Okay. The basal body made up of a cytoplasmic membrane and outer membrane. Both are made up of a peptidoglycan layers. That is very, very important. It consists of rings surrounded by a pair of proteins called moat B. The rings include L ring. Look at here. This is the first one. This is the L ring. Second one P ring. Third one MS ring. Fourth one C ring. Okay. First one L ring. Second one P ring. Third one MS ring. Fourth one C ring. I explained one by one. Look at here. First one L ring. Outer ring. This is the outer ring anchored in the lipopolysaccharide layer and found in gram-positive bacteria. This is the gram-positive bacteria outer ring. It is made up of a lipopolysaccharide layer. Lipo means lipid. Lipid means cholesterol. Okay. Poly means many. Many polysaccharide layer. This is the lipids. Look at here. This is the lipid layer structures. The ring surrounded with the lipopolysaccharide layer. Lipo means lipids. This is called lipid layer. This is the one layer. This is the second layer. Okay. This is also one layer. This is the second layer. This is the lipid layers. LPS layer. Outer membrane layer. Next one is P ring. This is the P ring. Outer ring, it's done. That is called L ring. Second one is P ring, anchored in the peptidoglycan layer. This is also made up of a peptidoglycan layer. L ring made up of a lipopolysaccharide layer. Okay, don't confuse. Third one is MS ring. Third one is MS ring. Fourth one is C ring. MS ring. MS ring also made up of a cytoplasmic membrane. Look at here. This is the MS ring. MS ring. This is the C ring. C ring means anchored in the cytoplasm layer. This is the cytoplasm layer. MS ring. Look at here. This is the cytoplasmic membrane layer. Both are made up of a cytoplasmic membrane layers. MS ring and C ring. This is very, very important. Don't confuse. This is the P ring. P ring made up of a peptidoglycans. L ring made up of a lipopolysaccharide layer. Next. The smaller S ring. Starter ring. This is the S ring. S ring attached with the M ring. M means motor ring. This is the M ring. M means motor ring, forming the MS ring. M ring and S ring, both are it is called starter ring. This is a small ring. The smaller ring is attached to the M ring. So that name it is called MS ring. Both are present in only one ring, that is called MS ring. M means motor ring, S means smaller ring. Next one, don't confuse. Once again, I explain it. Look at here. This is called flagellum. Okay. Flagellum is primarily a motility organelle. Motility means movement. The bacteria transfer from one place to another place. That is called motility. Motility means movement organelle. It is very useful from bacteria cells that enables movement, and chemotoxis means chemo means chemical. The flagellum made up of a chemicals that is called chemotoxis. Next, bacteria can have a one flagellum, or some bacteria have a several flagellums present in one spot or another spot. Okay, some bacteria have a several flagellas present in all over the bacterium, that is called peritrichous. Flagella structure. Flagella made up of a flagellin protein. This is very, very important. Flagellin protein. Three parts. That is, the first one is basal body, second one is hook, third one is filament. Basal body. Basal body, look at here. This is the basal body. This is the starters. Basal body made up of a cytoplasmic membrane and outer membrane. Both are made up of a basal body. Next one, hook. Next one, filament. Okay. First, I explained the basal body. Look at here. This is the basal body structure. Basal body consists of a number of rings present in basal body. This is the L ring. First one is L ring, second one is P ring, third one C ring, fourth one MS ring. Okay. First one is L ring. L ring means outer ring anchored in the lipopolysaccharide layer and found in the gram-positive bacteria. Only present in L rings present in gram-positive bacteria. Don't confuse. L rings do not present in gram-negative bacteria. Only L rings present in gram-positive bacteria. This is very, very important. Next, P ring. P ring means anchored in the peptidoglycan layer. Next one is P ring. P ring. This is the P ring. This is also made up of a peptidoglycan layer. Next one, C ring. C ring also made up of a proteins anchored in the cytoplasm layer. Next, this is the MS ring. Both are mixed with motor ring and small ring. Okay. The smaller ring is attached to the M ring, forming the MS ring. L ring, P ring, MS ring, C ring. This is called basal body structure parts. Okay. Next one, filament.